How to change Shopify Horizon theme default collection. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I will show you step by step how to do so. So it's fairly simple to do so. First, we will need to actually go ahead and create our own new collection with our own products. So just go ahead and click on the products tab on the main dashboard. From here, you simply just want to click on collections, and you want to just go ahead and click on add collection from the top right corner. Now you have the ability to create your own collection from scratch. So just go ahead and give it a title. Give it a brief description if you want to. And you can even feel free to add an image to it. Once that's done, you can just go to the collection type and select whether you want it to be manual, meaning you add the products yourself to the collection, or if you want it to be a smart collection, which is going to have conditions, and if these conditions are met, either all of them or any, it's up to you. It's just going to add them automatically to your collection. For example, you can just create a collection that is based off of the price point. For example, if the price point is greater than, let's say, $5, let's say, so in that case, it's automatically going to add that product to this collection. This is pretty much what the smart collection type means. So let's just go ahead and stick to the manual, and we can just go ahead and go to products. So I'm just going to go ahead and add this one and click on add. And once we're happy with the collection, we can just click on save from the bottom right corner. So once this is done, you simply just want to go ahead and go back to online store, click on edit theme. And this is going to be the featured collection, which is the default collection within the Horizon theme. You simply just want to go ahead and click on it. And then from the top left, you should be able to see collection. Go ahead and click on that and click on replace. Once you do that, you should be able to find all the different collections that you have on your store. We're simply just going to select the one that we have just created, which is the summer's collection in my case. And now it's just going to be replaced with your new collection. Obviously, I only have this one product in mind, but if you have multiple, you're going to be able to see them in here. And you can even adjust the product count from these settings that you have on the left. So once we're done, we can just click on save and we're good to go. So I hope you found this video to be informative and helpful. And for more information, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and thanks for watching.